So here we have our code for the application, a quick chat messaging app. So looking at line 1, we have a package declaration, and then line 2, this is for importing the scanner class for user input, so the user can enter, he's given the option to enter some values and all of that. Line 5 is going to be our main our main method. And then line 6 creates a scanner. Creates a scanner object called input. And then line 7 is for a login object called account. This handles all, for logins. It handles everything for logins. In line 7, this is going to handle everything for logins. So this is more so like a declaration. Yes. So we have 4 classes. It's going to be the main, the login, the message, and the message store. They all work with no errors. So from here, you're gonna say, I'll give you an example of a loop. So this is a loop from line 12 to line 21. It's a loop for entering the right username. So if you do not enter the right username, you're gonna get the error message. The error message is going to be line 20 to 21, which is going to be please try again, and it's going to loop until you get the right username. So this is basically going to be the same thing for the password, for the string, cell number. Yeah. So then after all of that, everything has been validated. If you meet all the requirements, it is going to display registration is successful. And then you're going to be led to the login page. So with the login, you use your previous logins, the username and the password. But if it is wrong, you're going to be prompted it's going to loop again and again until you enter the right password or enter the right username. And then you're going to be prompted to enter your first name and your last name. And it's going to display, welcome, first name plus last name. It is great to see you again. But if not, it's going to display username, or this is going to be in line 72, this is going to be the error message. This is for the quick chat, welcome loading message. This can new message store. This is for message storage. This is the main menu which the user is going to get up front after logging in. And then you're going to select, if you're going to have menu choices. It's going to be case 1, case 2, and case 3. So how many messages do you want to send? And you can say how many characters and all of that. But it has to meet the requirements. Let's head into the login class. This one checks the validity, I guess, of the password, if it has to meet these requirements. So it must have a username must contain an underscore, username must be 5 characters or less, password must be at least 8 characters long. So these are the requirements for the login. So they have to meet all these requirements. So this is for message storage. let's go to the message class. So the message class generates unique IDs at line 25. Or is that 20? Rather, so line 26, 27, line 27, it generates a 10-digit random ID. And then at line, what is it, the hash? Yeah, here's the hash. Assistant, yeah, it's fine. So from line 16, it's gonna be the message storage. This is gonna store the messages. And line 26. Yeah. Where's this line? So this, yeah, line 47 is gonna find all messages that belongs to one specific number, one specific contact. And then line 50. Okay, yeah, that's it. Just want to run the application, show you that it runs. So now we're gonna run the application. Make it a wrong password must at least. Where's the password? This is going to be for the receipt. Then yeah, given the option to quit, it says goodbye. That's basically the gist of the application. I hope it's good enough.